What do you think of my makeup?
Gorgeous!
Ooh. Action.
Action.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, do you want to cheers? Bink.
Hi, welcome to today's video.
I love it. That was great. That was so good.
Now it's due.
Okay, so tell them what we're doing today.
We are doing makeup. Lots and lots of makeup, right?
Yes, Emily, my niece, is going to be doing my makeup. She seems to have a love for cosmetics that is potentially stronger than the one I had when I was 4 years old as well. You're 4. How'd that happen?
I just changed for my birthday.
How many is 4? 2 peace signs, 4. You're 4.
Yeah, I am.
And this is gonna be your first time doing anybody's makeup.
Well, I also sometimes do my mommy's makeup.
Oh, you do? Okay, so you are already skilled.
Yep.
You're like a professional.
Yep.
What do we want to start with? Do you want to show them what makeup you scored being here so far? Like do a little haul? We have a compact and we have been using this quite a bit.
I'm just gonna get this open.
Okay.
Oh, there I go.
You're getting all prepped. Okay.
Is this my salon?
This is your salon. We're gonna pretend, oop, you got a sticker in your hair. That's silly. We're gonna pretend that this is your salon and I have an appointment to get my makeup done. Okay. And what does this one do?
It just transports you pretty.
It transports me pretty. I really like that. I'd actually love a product that just that quickly got it done. Do I look better already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like where the magic kind of doesn't fade away.
Oh, it's the kind where the magic doesn't fade away.
Never, ever, ever.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're
okay.
gonna do the shampoo flower.
What's the shampoo flower? I don't know that that's shampoo.
It is a
It's blush.
blush.
It goes on your cheeks.
Okay, do I put it on my finger?
I think we should start with foundation. Do you ever see your mommy doing this?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna take some foundation
This is my mirror.
and, ooh, okay, 1 pump. Let's do 2 pumps. That's good. We've got 2 pumps.
On a Scott Burns palette.
Okay, and you're gonna take this and wipe it all in there. And now you're gonna paint my face. Whoa, we're just going in. Woo! Oh, wow. I am, La Mer is so fancy. I gave you the good stuff to work with, just so you know. What do you think? Do we need more? Maybe we need a little more. I need more. Do you wanna see how Auntie does it?
Okay, it's mine, so I put it on you.
Got a dash of Laneige in there now, so you're getting it on my arm. I'm gonna do this arm. Oh, thank you. Got a little, turning it into body makeup too.
Foundation is done.
Great job.
Wait, I snap my fingers.
Snap your fingers.
Foundation is done.
Oh, good. Wow, I loved that.
Natasha and Denona. do I put it on your lips?
Under my eyes. This is my favorite concealer, actually. Do you know that? Woo! Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. What do you think?
It looks pretty.
It looks pretty.
Wait, a little more, okay?
Oh.
Tricked.
Because I haven't been sleeping, you know? You kids have been keeping me up. Does it need to be blended in? Maybe we use your princess sponge to do that. Sparkles.
Sparkles.
Ah. Ah.
You look rested.
You are so good at this. Do you know that? You're doing a great job.
That looks pretty, look.
Ooh. All right, maybe we're ready for the blush. So I'm gonna give you a brush like this. I'm gonna go like this. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, just a little bit of blush.
Rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Okay.
Oh, you're doing the nose too? Are you doing the tomato girl trend? Oh, you're full tomato right now. I think we need something stronger. What do you think? Wow, we're getting that blush everywhere. Ooh, do you want something stronger?
Yep.
Yep.
Make by Mario. It's me, I'm Mario. I put it on your lips?
No, put it on my cheek. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Okay, I think for this cheek too, Urban Decay. Okay, where do we put it?
On the eyes. I'm loving my makeover. You know what? I almost never let anyone do my makeup.
Why?
I don't trust them. Oh, gosh.
But you trust me?
I do trust you. You're not going to put it on the other eye?
Oh, I am.
I mean, honestly, Urban Decay, I think this is called Midnight Cowboy.
Okay.
This is one of the best glitters of all time. You chose a good one. It's a little rough, but it's okay. What's your favorite color?
Purple and pink and blue and green.
Those are good choices. Ask me what my favorite color is.
Red?
Mm-mm.
Pink?
No.
Purple?
Well, I love purple, but I always say that my favorite color is glitter.
What?
What?
I like glitter too.
Auntie loves glitter. I cannot get enough glitter. You gonna put that on my eyes too?
You will look beautiful.
Ooh. Oh, wow. Ow.
It's an ow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, ow. You're a little confident with the pressure there.
You look beautiful. This called Daydream.
Love it. This is more eyeshadow, and this one is by Danessa Myricks.
By Danessa Myricks.
And it's one of my favorite brands. All of her stuff is so glittery and gorgeous, and it just makes me feel so wonderful when I wear it.
Don't move.
Okay. This is a
little more.
This is turning into such artistic expression right now. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? Whoa.
Just look.
Oh my gosh.
Not gonna.
Who's there?
Glitter.
Glitter who?
Glitter that's putting makeup.
Glitter like putting on makeup. This is more Danessa Myricks.
More is more.
You're very good at this. I'm having the best time.
Look in the mirror.
Oh my gosh.
Is it pretty?
It's so pretty. I have never looked better. We've been having a fun day playing with makeup, picking out makeup. We even did Pilates together.
We are also doing this one.
Oh, we're doing brows.
Oh, are we doing?
This goes on the brows. Whoa.
You look dark. Okay, again.
Again, okay.
Look.
Whoa, oh, this is so much makeup.
This is the best day ever. Makeup best.
It's the best day ever. Oh my gosh. Have you smelled this? It smells so good.
Oh, put on my nose.
It smells so good.
Okay, now I'm doing other kinds. I think
other kinds of lipstick, because more is more. More is more, right?
it is more.
Mmm. Oh gosh. I love that one. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh.
You look pretty. Let's see when you go in there. I think you'll look fantastic. Oh, do you know what would be pretty?
Okay.
What is it for?
Your lips. Okay, we did that. That's also Natasha Denona. And also Natasha Denona. Can we say Natasha Denona?
Natasha and Denona.
Got it on my tooth.
Sorry.
Should we do some bronzer?
Yeah.
Like on my forehead, maybe?
This one and this one. I think this one, this one, this one.
Wow. Wow. Oh, okay. So this was a very important video to film because Logan had done a video with me way back when. A lot of you guys remember that. And this is kind of a family thing that we're doing. So it was Emily's turn and...
Yeah, I could put it on that.
We've been waiting to do this for a minute, right? Oh, thank you. You're so good
I
at
like
this.
it out of boobs.
Oh my gosh.
Givenchy. Givenchy.
Oh, wow. Where are you going to put that?
On your...
Oh,
I think it looks pretty.
that's oddly relaxing. I love your salon.
I know, this is my new song. Oh, do you know which one we did not try? Cannon by Steel.
Are you putting it on my arm?
Look pretty.
Oh, just makeup everywhere, right? Oh, that's a lot of pressure that we are getting in there with. Oh my gosh, pressure is, woof. You don't have to go that hard. Oh my gosh, she's out of control.
Essence.
Okay.
This on here forever.
What was that?
This makeup is on me forever.
This makeup is on me forever. Should I go to the store like this?
One time. I bet everybody would like your makeup.
Really?
Yep.
Do you want to do some eyeliner on me? This is a lot of trust. Do you see what that is?
What is that for?
It's eyeliner. Oh. And this one is by Danessa Myricks.
I had the Mexic Myricks. This is good stuff.
Okay. A little goes a long way with that.
Where do we put it?
This one maybe let's do on the arm.
Oh my goodness. You look beautiful.
Thank you. Do you want to take me out to dinner?
Yeah.
With my makeup?
I will walk you through the middle of the county fair.
Apparently, this is permanent makeup that lasts forever and ever and ever. How long will this makeup last?
1 year.
1 year.
Now 1 year.
Okay.
You know what's the one more special thing?
What's the one more special thing? Oh, we're going for the loose pigment. This might get out of control.
More is more.
Oh, and we're putting it on a big brush. Where's this going? Oh my gosh, that surprised me. Oh, wow, that's all over. Okay. We are shiny. Oh, okay.
With by Insta morning.
What do you think? Am I ready for the ball?
Emily, she needs lipstick.
I gave her lipstick.
Oh, he's requesting darker lipstick. What do you think? What about like a red lipstick?
Yep.
Yep. Or actually go in that drawer, the second drawer down, all the way to the left on this one right here. And there's a bin that has literally red lipsticks in there. Do you see?
Valentino.
Yeah, let's do that. What do you think of this one?
I think you go to the ball perfect.
I'll go to the ball perfect with this.
Valentino.
Wow.
Now I'm putting it.
Oh, beautiful. What do you think?
Nice job, Emily.
The big reveal. So I think Logan wanted to come in and say hello and pick out a setting spray.
You want me to get Logan?
Yes.
Okay. Logan, you're needed at the studio.
What do you think of my makeup?
Lazy. I think that's silly. I think that's so silly.
I'm ready to go to the ball. Oh my goodness. All right, so which spray, because you're my makeup selector, remember you did a whole video with me doing that? Which spray should I use?
You should use this one.
This one?
Okay.
Tarte. Can you say Tarte Double Duty?
Dark duty.
Okay, one at a time. Let Logan do this one. Okay, other side. Ooh, it smells good. Like cucumbers.
Okay, let's go to the ball.
Let's go to the ball.
It's somewhere.
What ball are we going to?
It has a big area that we can dance in
Oh.
with these dresses.
Oh, with our dresses. I love it. Okay, we gotta say bye to everybody.
Bye. Ring the bell and subscribe. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye. All right, like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. And we're off. Do you wanna blow a kiss with me? Are we continuing the journey? Like, what's happening here? Yeah. What did you just put? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, Emily. What have you done? What? No. Oh my. We've had about enough. Oh my gosh. I can't.
Look, gorgeous.
We're gonna go show your mom now. You're done already.
Yeah. Come for the big reveal.
Do you know what I think of? I think of the Ice Show Cats.
The Broadway
Ice Show
musical.
Cats. And you have something on your tooth.